the output has to be like this. Okay, this first 5 volts, and then after one output pin, and after one ground pin. The same thing will be available here.
Okay.
So ground, out, and plus 5 volts. Okay. The same thing will be gone for wind sensor.
okay.
So actually here wind sensor there is a cap for which has to be
Okay.
evaluated. Okay. Instead of that, okay, I'm giving for motor.
Okay.
So here the one connection will be for ground, and after next one pin will be
Output.
for output.
Another is input.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
okay. We're not giving any 5 volts here, okay? Because
Okay.
we need only output
So,
from
but we
here.
having only an input and output pin. Where is a ground? Sir?
Yes, no. It's not like that. Actually, here I'm getting the ED currents.
Okay.
So when I rotate, okay, it produces ED currents, right? So the ground will be given to a last pin, and after the another pin will be given to the output pin.
Okay. No,
So what happens is not output pin; it's an input pin.
Okay.
Okay, once rotating, it means when the wind is on. So what happens? So this will be in rotation form, right?
Okay.
Then I get the ED currents which will be going to here. So here there is a ADC and our microcontroller. So it will read the ADC values. Analog to digital values. Analog means nothing but voltage or current, right?
Okay.
It's analog form. That will be read and it will be going to digital form.
Okay.
So that will be shown on the LCD.
Okay, fine.
Okay. At the same time, we are going for temperature sensor.
Okay.
So the work of temperature sensor is whenever the temperature is room temperature. Okay, it will show the 30 degrees or 20 degrees. It depends on room temperature.
Okay.
And now if there is any increase in temperature, accordingly it will show the temperature.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Now this is a last pump. Okay. Once it has reached the required standards, so then it will rotate the pump, water pump. Okay. Here we are giving the 5 delays, 5, 15 and 15 seconds.
Okay.
Okay.
And everything, the rotation of this pump depends everything on
ED
humidity.
sensor. Yeah.
Humidity, temperature, as well as wind. Okay.
Okay. So these three things will be included in the ET formula.
Okay.
Okay. Evaporation, transfer, and evaporation. Okay.
Evapotranspiration.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay. Now,
And relay.
ಇದು humidity value NH.
அதான் இது வாங்கிட்டு வந்துடல அந்த நெட்டில் ஹைட் போடுறதுக்கு ஜாக்கு ஸ்பேசர் சார்
Your room temperature is 32.
சாப்பிடுங்க சார்
சாப்பிடல ரெண்டு பேர் சாப்பிடவே இல்லை
சார்